Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and find System Update. And right now your device will check for the updates. Of course, you can tap on check for updates again if you're not sure. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your system is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it. So what has been fixed, what has been added. And all you will have to do is to tap on download or install and your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.